Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're taking a look at an asset in the Unity asset store called Inside the Vault Force of Nature. Now at first glance this actually looks rather nice. The image it presents right here looks it looks good, like it could fit in with something post-apocalyptic or something of the sort. So the actual asset itself, if I go to the scene view, comes with a pre-built scene. I do like those pre-built scenes, you guys know that. Unfortunately, this is where the quality, I would say, and definitely quantity of the asset ends, because that's it. That is all you get in this asset. It doesn't look too bad. It looks okay. And obviously with post-processing, maybe some volumetric lighting, whatever, this could actually look fairly decent. So just a quick post-processor profile stuck on there, and it looks like this. So the scene is within this folder. And everything is, you got your reflection pros, whatever else there. All the folders are laid out quite nicely. You've got your sections to it here, textures, so obviously you can change things if you need to. Like I said, quantity wise, there isn't really a lot here, but to be honest, it does show you in this picture that's all it is. Price free, which, yep, fair enough. Size, a gigabyte. Now, this is where I have not an issue, but when you actually break down the contents of this package, it is this Substance Painter file, which takes over a gigabyte of this. Without that, this asset package would be just over 100 megabytes. So I feel that it's artificially inflated for no apparent reason, unfortunately. But it still doesn't deter from the fact that it is fairly decent, and obviously it will be quite customizable, because you can take some of these materials, play around with the, for example, the materials, change the normal maps on it, whatever you need to. Like if we attach a normal map over here and go to one of the other materials, the walls, let's attach a normal map there as well. Head to the game view, and you can see, yeah, it actually looks fairly decent. So the quality is quite nice. I do like the quality of this. Versatility, yeah, as you would expect, is pretty standard. Extras, there aren't really any extras to speak of. Usefulness, I honestly can't see this being very useful for anything unless you're creating something very specific, or just creating an image rather than an actual game. It's hard to really come up with some ideas of what this could be used for, but I guess there are a couple of things in here which may be useful. Some of these models may be useful to some degree. Like I said, the package size really puts me off about this, but I don't think it should hinder anything about your opinion of this. I mean, just look at what I've done now. Quickly modify this a little bit, and it does look kind of cool. It's nice how this looks at the moment. So you can work around with this, just play around to create something really awesome looking, I guess. Because there's a couple of different things you can play around with here as well. You don't necessarily have to stick to what it's given you. Some area lighting, point lights, spotlights, just play around with it if you want to. So, as you guys know, I don't really rate assets. I either recommend them or I don't. And I think for this one, unfortunately, I wouldn't really recommend this one for anything unless you're creating, like I said, something specific, like a rendered image of something. But honestly, I can't really see it being of much use at all, unless, like I say, you just want to play around, have a little look at it. So no, I don't think I'd quite recommend this one, unfortunately, guys. If you've used the asset, though, let me know in the comments what you think of it, your thoughts. Yeah. So if you've got anything on the asset store as well, let me know, guys, because I'd love to take a look. And don't forget, click subscribe, click the bell icon as well. Stay up to date with everything I have on video game development on my channel. And guys, thank you very much for watching.